A simple question that was getting wrong for a lot of students of mine was this one. The positive Lasange test for nitrogen and halogen can be given by which of the following? So for nitrogen, you need to have a carbon along with nitrogen so that you can test for cyanide, Cn minus. Okay, so what will be the answer, radio? C will be the answer, radio is telling. All right, see? And if you see this question out here, nitrogen detection in an organic compound is carried out by Lasange test. The blue color formation is because of ferriferrocyanide. So you should know how the ferriferrocyanide looks like. Fe in the counter ion has +3 oxidation state. Iron in the coordination sphere has +2 oxidation state. The complex is an octahedral complex. The color is because of the charge transfer spectra. It is not because of the DD transition. The complex is having coordination number 6. It's an octahedral compound, and everything about iron, the outside iron is 3+, so that's why ferric. The inside iron is 2+, so ferrous, and that's why the name ferriferrocyanide. The complex which is formed for the the complex which is formed by the reaction of a Lasange extract having the cyanide, Cn minus. This is exactly what gets formed when you react sodium cyanide with FeCl3 in the presence of sulfuric acid. Okay?